Hi, Lyn DeLorme, Post-Secondary Teaching and Learning Instructional Designer here with another video postcard. In this episode, we'll look at the Moodle Groups feature. The Groups feature is very powerful, but also one of the most complex features to use. Here's a quick overview of some terms that Moodle uses within this feature. The term groups refers to assortments of students or participants. Groups can contain as many or as few students or participants as you wish. Students or participants can be members of more than one group at a time, and there is no limit to the number of groups you can create. The term groupings refers to groups of groups. Using groupings, Moodle can distinguish which groups of students are affiliated with which course content or activities. For example, we may decide we want students to complete a reading assignment and discussion in pairs. We would use groups to designate the pairs. If we also want students to have access to a forum discussion that is limited to each pair, we can create a grouping to contain the student pair groups, a group of groups. Then, we can activate the proper group settings in the forum, and Moodle will automatically provide a separated forum experience for each pair of students. I've created some comprehensive step-by-step guides for some popular ways to utilize the Groups feature in your Moodle course site. If you are using one Moodle site for multiple sections of a course, you can use the group settings to sort the displays in your gradebook, assignments, and forums by course section. This is especially helpful for grading and forum management, and even more so if grading in your Moodle site is shared among several instructors or TAs, or if you have a large number of students. When group settings are activated, you will notice a display menu becomes available within the gradebook and also in assignments and forums. Use this display menu to automatically select which course sections are displayed for easier administration of grades and forum posts. If you need to provide access to an assignment, quiz, or other course resource to some, but not all of the students in your course, then the Groups feature is just the thing. You can configure access for as few or as many students as you need, and it's especially useful for students with special accommodations, honors sections, and makeup exams or assignments. This feature also works with other Moodle resources such as handouts, including Word documents, PowerPoint files, PDFs, or web links. You can also use these configurations to create the experience of a separate course site for each course section in a multi-section Moodle course. If your course includes projects or activities based upon small groups of students, then this handout is for you. Use these configurations to provide small group discussion forums, course resources, and to manage your gradebook by project group. Contact me by email or phone to request the guides that you would like. Of course, you can also request a personalized consultation with me to configure groups to meet your specific course needs. Until next time, happy Moodling!